The Bourns Model 2003 series is a low-cost, 2-electrode GDT or gas discharge tube surge protection device designed specifically for applications that may be exposed to transients such as lightning. And while this light-duty, leadless surface mount and compact mini-size gas discharge tube was constructed for economical assembly, it offers a maximum 2 kA, an 8x20 microsecond peak pulse current rating, a fast response time, and stable performance over its extended impulse life of 300 operations. This RoHS-compliant and UL-recognized Model 2003 series GDT features an extremely low capacitance and insertion loss, which makes it an ideal overvoltage protector for high-speed telecom customer premises equipment and industrial communications applications.